Welcome back to my channel. Let us learn to subtract tens, hundreds and thousands mentally. This will help us to do our calculations faster. So first of all, let's start with subtracting tens. To subtract tens, we simply decrease the digits in the tens place of the minuend. However, if there is not enough tens, we need to regroup. For example, you have to subtract 10 from 325. So just decrease the digit in the tens place and it will become 315. Decrease the 10 digits by 1. Or you can say 256 minus 10. Again decrease the digit in the tens place by 1. So it becomes 246. Or you can say 123 minus 20. How do you subtract it? Just decrease the tens digits by 2. So it will become, your answer is 103. Another number is 174. When subtracted by 20, again decrease the tens digit. This is your tens digit. Decrease it by 2. So it becomes 1. 7 minus 2 you give 5. 154 you get. $548 minus 30. Here you have to decrease the tens digits by 3. So you get 518. 534 minus 30. Again decrease the tens digit by 3. You get 504 as the answer. This is your subtracting tens. How you are going to subtract the tens? Now come at subtracting hundreds. Subtracting hundreds. To subtract hundreds, we simply decrease the digit in the hundreds place of the minuend. However, if there are not enough hundreds, we need to regroup. So examples, let us take 357 is a number and subtract it with 100. So what you have to do? Just decrease the hundreds digit by 1. So it becomes 257. Next number is 507 minus 200. Again decrease the hundreds digit. This is the 100 digit by 2. So it becomes 307. Next number is 932 minus 300. Again decrease the 100 digits by 3. So it becomes 632. Your next number is 269 minus 100. Decrease the 100 digits by 1. Answer is 169. 495 minus 200. So decrease the 100 digits by 2. Your answer is 295. Next number is 348 minus 300. So decrease the 100 digits by 3. Your answer is 48. Now let's do the subtraction of thousands. Subtracting thousands. To subtract thousands, we simply decrease the digits in the thousand place of the minuend. For example, now your number is 3570. When subtracted by 1000, just decrease the digits in the thousand place by 1. So number will be 2517. Next number is 5709 minus 2000. Decrease the hundreds digits by 2. So 5 minus 2 becomes 3. 3709. Next number is 8193 subtracted by 3000. Again decrease the 1000 digits by 3. So 8 minus 3, 5, and write down the remaining number 193. To understand it better, let's do some exercise. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1 is 45 minus 10. What will you get? Decrease the tens digits by 1. You get 30. Add the remaining number 5. Question number 2 is 756 minus 20. So decrease the tens digits by 2. So 7 minus 2, answer is 5. Remaining number 556. Sorry. Here the tens digit is 5. So your answer will be 736. Next question is 723 minus 100. So decrease the hundreds digit, this is 100 digit, by 1. 7 minus 1, you get 6. Remaining number 23. 623. Question number 4 is 482 minus 200. Again decrease the hundreds digit by 2. Answer is 2. Remaining number 282. Question number 5 is 650 minus 500. Decrease the 100 digits by 5. 6 minus 5, you get 1. The remaining number 150. Next question is 800 minus 700. Decrease the hundreds digits by 7. So 8 minus 7, 1. Remaining number 100. Next question is 254 minus 100. Decrease the 100 digits by 1. 2 minus 1 you get 1. Remaining number 154 is your answer. 368 minus 200. Decrease the 100 digits by 2. 3 minus 2 we get 1 and remaining number 168. Question number 9 is 580 minus 400. Decrease the 100 digits by 4. So 5 minus 4 you get 1. Remaining number 180 is your answer. And then last question is 900 minus 400. Decrease the 100 digits by 4. 9 minus 4 you get 5 and the remaining number 00 is your answer. This is all for today's topic. Thank you.